Assalamu alaikum, grade 5. How are you? Hope so fine. This is the summary video for today lesson. So let's start. Subject Science, Learner Book, Class 5, Unit 1, Investigating Plant Growth. A new lesson for you. Lesson 1.5, Plants and Light. From your learner book, page number 14. From your learner book, page number 14. And your homework for today, worksheet. So first of all, learning objective. Today you learn in the class, know that plants need energy from light for growth. Plant need energy from light. We will discuss about light today. So for this you have an activity on page number 14 from your learner book. So kindly you also check from there. Lesson 1.5, plants and light. Activity 1.5, investigating the effect of light on plant growth. If you're putting your plant in sunlight place, what's the effect? If you're putting your plant in the dark place, then what happened? What kind of effect on your plant? So for this you have an activity measuring and recording. Record the height of the two plants. Water both plants with the same amount of sorry. Water both plant with the same amount of water. Why? If you want fair result, you should put water properly. We want our observation, our investigation about sunlight. So other thing, give both on the same time. Okay, just sunlight. We are putting one plant in sunlight place near the window, and other one in the dark place. So look at the pictures to see what to do. Predict how will you think the two plants will grow. So according to you, what happened to this one, plant A and plant B? If you are putting your plant in two different places, write down your predictions. Observe the plants every 4 days for 3 weeks. After 4 days, okay, you will record what happened. Is there any kind of change? Water both plant with the same amount of water each time you observe them. Okay, draw a table to record the height and appearance each time you observe them. At the end, we will make table, but before this, you know this light. Why do plant need light? This question for today. Why do plant need light? What happened when plant don't have light? If you don't give them light, don't put in sunlight place. So what happened? And what kind of light? Lamp light or sunlight? What kind of light necessary for a plant? So first question, light is one of the most important factors for growing house plant or just plant. All plants require light for photosynthesis. So why light required for a plant? For making, for the process of photosynthesis, food process. The process within a plant that convert light, oxygen and water into carbon dioxide. Okay, carbohydrates, energy. For the plant energy, a plant need sunlight to change all these things into energy. This much needed energy is required by a plant for the growth. In order to growth, bloom and produce seed. Yes, without adequate light, without enough light, carbohydrates cannot be manufactured. Carbohydrates cannot be manufactured. If carbohydrate cannot be manufactured, your plant will die. The energy reserves are depleted and plant die. If cannot, if a plant cannot make this energy, so it cannot survive further, and at the end die. So just in simple word, why do plants need light? All plants require light. For what? For photosynthesis. This paragraph, just a summary for the previous slide. All plants require light for photosynthesis. The process within a plant that convert light, oxygen and water into carbohydrate. Simple in simple word, you can say plant need light for what? For photosynthesis. What happened if you don't give a plant don't have light, or you don't give them light, don't put in proper place? So all plants can survive for short period without light. Yes, plant can survive like at night there is no sunlight. So all plant can survive for short period without light. But no plant can live without sunlight forever. Okay, if you put in the dark place 1, 2, 3, 4 days, and then after many days, so it's not survive. If plants do not get sunlight, what happened? They will lose their green color. Okay, they will lose their green color and eventually die. Slowly, it can turn into yellow, and then at the end, it will die. Because with the help of sunlight, process of photosynthesis in leaves happened. If not, there is no any kind of food. Even you don't eat food after 3, 4 days. What happened to you? Same like okay, plants are living things. If plant lack any of other things, they need to grow. Other things, sunlight, water, nutrients, soil. Okay, so what happened? They will die. So these are necessary things for the plant. Plants make food in the daytime. Yes, plants ever make food in the daytime, in sunlight, and eat it all at night. Okay, and eat it all at night. Or you can say in the plant it survive at night time because eating requires oxygen. You know that plant during day breathe out oxygen, and at night breathe out what? Breathe out carbon dioxide at night. Okay, plant do consume some oxygen at night, and also at night breathe in sorry in daytime uh, plant take carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen, and this process opposite at night. So you know that people are saying don't sleep under tree at night. Why? Because at the night the process is a convert. At night plant not to breathe in, not breathe out oxygen. It's give carbon dioxide at night because of photosynthesis process. They are consuming their energy at night. So that is why the exact reason. So plant release oxygen during the day. Plants release oxygen during the day in the presence of natural light through the process of photosynthesis. While at night it's convert, the process change. The plant uptake oxygen and release carbon dioxide. So what happened? Because we are also release carbon dioxide. We are taking oxygen and release out carbon dioxide. So if we are sleeping under the tree and under anything like plant, so it's we have problem in breathing. Second, what kind of light? Obviously, sunlight for the plant. Sunlight is more important. Yes, other light also, but other lights don't have a lot of waves which a plant need. More energy come from the sun than from any artificial light. Any artificial light. The light from the sun is different from a street lamp. Yes, obviously, the light from artificial is different from sunlight. Artificial light ever different, not same. From sun waves, plant take which kind of waves? All the light don't have like this. So sunlight is more important for the plant growth. We are also using artificial light, but not much. Now go back to your book. So draw a table to record the height and appearance each time you observe them. This table from the above, okay, you can see on your learner book, we have two plants, plant A and plant B. Plant A I put in, you can see in the slide I show you. Plant A we put in front of mirror or in front of window. sunlight taking, and this one in a dark place, in a dark path. So after this, we want to make table. What happened after 4 days for 3 weeks? So date, okay. You should write date, each date after 4 day, 4 day, okay, with the difference of 4 day. So you need to write height, number of leaves, color of stem and leaves, and the general appearance. What kind of appearance they show you. So let's start. So date 10 March, okay, you can write any date according to you. 10 March. Height in centimeter. Plant A 10, plant B 12. And number of leaves 10, 12. It means same on day 12. And color both green. General appearance both healthy, strong. On the first day you can say. After 4 day 14 March, 15, 16, 11 and 13. You can see the height in centimeter. This one plant A 15 and plant B 16. And number of leaves 11, and this one plant B 13. Plant A green and plant B slightly paler green, also green but little bit changing, okay. And appearance healthy, strong. Plant A healthy, strong, and plant B now healthy only. Date 18. Again, I'm telling you, should be your mind. Plant A where I put and plant B where I put. You can see from your book. Height in centimeter, plant A 17, plant B 16. You can see now it's going down. Number of leaves 12, 13. Color of stem green, pale green. Little bit, you can say light green. General appearance both healthy still. Day 22 now. Plant A 20, height centimeter, growing up. Plant B get down 17. Number of leaves 13. Number of leaves. Plant B 11. And color of stem and leaves green, and this one plant B yellow and green. Yellow green. Now it's changing color because of sunlight. We don't put in sunlight place, so yellow green. And general appearance both healthy still, okay. Day 26, height 22.5, increasing. Plant B 17, leaves 14, 10. Color green, and you can see the color now it's changed in yellow. And this is after, you can see after 2 or 3 weeks. General appearance healthy, strong, okay, because you put in sunlight place. And unhealthy and weak. The process of photosynthesis not it's not working, okay. After some days it stopped. Now your plant be unhealthy and weak. Okay, guys, this table you will try by yourself and make it on your notebook. And your homework, I will send a homework sheet, okay. Homework sheet, try to finish it and send it to me, everyone, and revise your classwork. Okay, boys, take care. Assalamu alaikum.